Hello, Miriam here at the Bureau of Meteorology with a look at the weather for the week starting 16th of October. Today, we're mainly going to be focused on the hot weather that's continuing across northern and western parts of the country, in stark contrast to the cold start to the week that we've seen across the southeast states. We can really catch a snapshot of all of that from today's maximum temperature forecast. In the southeast, where that cold front has swept through, we've got 15 degrees on the forecast today for Hobart, Melbourne and Canberra. But the further north and west you go, the hotter it gets. We've got elevated fire weather conditions for large parts of the country with a number of fire weather warnings that include the Greater Hunter and Greater Sydney districts of New South Wales. For all of the details around those fire weather conditions, see today's severe weather video. Now, this is coming off the back of a very hot weekend. Yesterday, we saw the hottest October day on record for some parts of Western Australia and the Northern Territory, and today is no different. We may see further records falling, not just today, but over the coming days, particularly through Western Australia. We've got 36 degrees on the forecast for Perth today, and that's coming after 32 degrees on both Saturday and Sunday. And meanwhile, in the Northern Territory, we have a severe heatwave warning current for the Darwin area. So be sure that you stay cool, particularly in those overnight periods. So what's causing all of that heat? Well, we have a low pressure trough sitting along the west coast and dragging that heat south, helping to intensify it across southern Western Australia. It's going to persist over the coming days, gradually shifting inland a little bit through the later part of Monday and into Tuesday. Meanwhile, on the east coast, our cold front is gradually going to move up the New South Wales coast, cooling things off through Sydney and northern parts of the state before it moves off into the Tasman Sea. Now, that means we still could see some showers, small hail and alpine snow about the southeast states today, but conditions will be improving as we go into tomorrow. Temperatures for tomorrow are going to reflect that change as well. Sydney heading for a top of just 20 degrees, milder through northern parts of New South Wales and southern Queensland as well, with fire weather conditions starting to ease in those areas. However, hot and dry weather continuing through the north and west of the country. Perth is in for a little bit of a milder day tomorrow as well, just 27 degrees there as that heat shifts inland. From midweek, we're going to see these settled conditions and warming conditions pushing towards the east coast, thanks to the influence of this high pressure system moving off into the Tasman Sea. That means Wednesday, Thursday, possibly even Friday are going to be fine days for the southeast coast. Sunny as well through northern parts of the country, with just a little bit of cloud and possible shower activity about the southern coasts of Western Australia and South Australia, associated with this low as it moves across the Bight. Temperatures as well are going to stay well above average through that later part of the week, with the hottest conditions pushing towards the east coast. So here we've got Wednesday, slightly milder around the Esperance coast, but the heat is starting to move into South Australia. That continues on Thursday and Friday as well. And by the end of the week, as you see, we've got very hot conditions, not just across the north, but through inland New South Wales, Victoria and South Australia as well, with the milder conditions really confined to that southern coastline. So a bit going on this week between the heat and the fire dangers. You can find all of the details of the forecasts via the Bureau's website and the BOM weather app. Keep yourself up to date, have a great week, and we'll catch you next time.